Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're following an ultra-low-carb keto or carnivore diet, then you probably miss pigging out on those crunchy flour tacos on Taco Tuesdays. Unfortunately, a typical serving of 2 crunchy taco shells contains about 23 grams of net carbs. This pretty much makes it off-limits for those of us who follow an ultra-low-carb keto or carnivore diet. But today, your taco cravings are about to come to an end, because this video will walk you through an easy, one-ingredient recipe for making delicious, zero-carb, crunchy taco shells. The sole ingredient for our zero-carb crunchy taco shell is 2/3 of a cup of zero-carb grated Parmesan cheese for each taco shell. The brand of cheese that I used for this simple recipe was Belgioioso, which contains 0 carbs. There are recipes that use different cheeses such as cheddar, mozzarella, or provolone, but Parmesan has a relatively low-fat content, which makes the finished taco shell less oily than other cheeses. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt is optional because you can season the filling with enough salt to suit your tastes. Now let's get cooking. Place a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and form a 7-inch diameter circle with the shredded Parmesan in the middle of the pan. The cheese thickness should be consistent at about 1/4 inch. This will help prevent holes from forming in the finished taco shell. If holes do form as the cheese melts, just sprinkle pinches of cheese to fill them. Use a spatula to round the edges of the taco shell. When the edges begin to brown, flip the shell over and continue to cook until the bottom turns golden brown. Allow each shell to cool for a minute or so before forming them in taco shell holders. I'll leave a link to the taco shell holder I used in the description below. Next, fill the shells with your favorite keto or carnivore-friendly toppings. And last but not least, enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more carnivore-friendly recipes. Let me know in the comments if you give this one a try. I'd love to hear how it turns out for you. See you next time.